Welcome to GAYAS classes for mathematics. Today I am going to explain arithmetic progression part 5. Let us see the question. Here question is what? If m times the mth term of AP is equal to n times the nth term of AP, then show that m plus nth term of the AP will be what? 0. That means m times the mth term. It is given m into am. M times the mth term. M into am is equal to what? N times the nth term of AP, that is am. Right? It is given. Now we have to show, that is to prove. So to prove what? The m plus nth term of AP is 0. That is a m plus n equal to 0. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? First to use the first given equation and find some result. And then after that, just you will put very easily a m plus n equal to 0. So let us see from first. So this first is what? M into a means you know a plus m minus 1 into d. Similarly here this is n into a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So now we can write very easily what? This is ma and this is na. So we can write ma minus na. Ma minus na. And this equal to what? D taking the common. Okay. So when D taking the common, so D is here n into n minus 1. So n into n minus 1 is what? N square minus n. Okay. And now this is what? This is again n into m minus 1 minus. So m into m is m square. So this is what? Minus m square. And here m into minus 1 is what? Minus m. So this is what? Plus m. Okay. Now you see here, taking a common will get what? M minus n. Here d is common. And here n square minus m square. So n square minus m square we can write n plus m into n minus m. This is n square minus m square. And then plus is what? M minus n. So we can write here a into m minus n. And this equal to d into what? So when we are taking common m plus n and m minus n we are taking common. So d into m minus n we are taking common, right? So m minus n common, here n minus, so we will get what? Minus of n plus m. So minus n and minus n. And here what? That is plus m minus 1. So this is what? Plus 1. So this m minus n and this m minus n is what? Cancel out. So we will get what? That is d equal to a upon minus n plus 1. So if we take minus common, so we will get what? M plus n minus 1. Right? This is the value of d. Now you see, so we can find LHS is what? That is a m plus n. So we are finding a m plus n. So you know formula a plus n minus 1. So m plus n minus 1 into d. So now this is a plus m plus n minus 1. So here we are writing m plus n minus 1 and into d. So d is what? A upon minus m plus n minus 1. So this and this cancel out. So we get to what? A minus a. A minus a is what? 0. So our correct answer is what? 0. This is our RHS. In this way we can prove very easily That is, if m times of mth term equal to n times of nth term, then m plus nth terms of that AP will be what? 0. You can use this result as a trick also. Let us see the second question. Second question is what? If the pth term of an AP is Q and qth term is P, then prove that its nth term is P plus Q minus N. So first you see what is given. Pth term of an AP is Q, that is pth term, that is AP equal to Q. And the qth term is P, that is AQ equal to what? P. And prove that. We have to prove what? Nth term, that is AN equal to P plus Q minus N. Okay. So first it is given pH term is Q and QH term is P. So from this equation you see that is A plus P minus 1D equal to Q, and here A plus Q minus 1D equal to what? P. So when we subtract this equation, so we will get what? A minus A is what? 0. So we will get what? D common, P minus 1 minus Q plus 1, and this equal to what? Q minus P. So we are subtracting first equation minus second. So this minus this 0. So D common, P minus 1 minus Q plus 1. So here this 1 and 1 also cancel. So D equal to what? Q minus P. And here this is what? P minus Q. So this is P minus Q. So we can common minus, so get this P minus Q. It is also P minus Q. So this is cancel minus 1. So D is what? Minus 1. Now we are finding nth terms, AN. So AN is what? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A is A and N minus 1 and D is what? Minus 1. So we will get A, and this is minus N plus 1. So this is A minus N plus 1. Now you can find the value of A also. So value of A is what? Where D is minus 1. So when we put here D equal to minus 1, right? So minus P plus 1. So minus P plus 1 is Q plus P minus 1. So A will be what? Q plus P minus 1. So this is Q plus P minus 1 and then minus N plus 1. So this is what? This 1 and 1 cancel. We will get P plus Q minus N. So our correct answer is what? P plus Q minus N. This is the right answer. So simply you find D and then put the value D either in first or second and you put A. Find A. So if minus 1 is here, so this is minus P plus 1. Right? So A equal to what? Q plus P and minus 1. So just put the value of this and you will get correct answer. Let us see the third question. The third question is what? If mth term of an AP be 1 by n and nth term of an AP is 1 by n, then so that its mnth term is 1. So for this type of question, first we see what is given and what we have to prove. So mth term of AP is 1 by n means what? It is given AM equal to what? 1 by n. Mth term of an AP is 1 by n. So we can write A plus M minus 1 into D equal to 1 by. Similarly, nth terms of an AP. That means AN is given what? 1 by M. So A plus N minus 1 into D is what? 1 by M. Okay. Then so that mnth term. So we have to prove to prove mnth term, that is a mn equal to what? 1. So for this type of question, first to find 1 minus 2, first minus second. So this equation minus, so a minus a is what? 0, and d is here common. So here what? M minus 1 and minus n minus 1. So m minus 1 and minus n plus 1. So this is minus n plus 1. And this equal to what? 1 by n minus 1 by. So this is 1 by n and this is 1 by m. So when we take LCM, so here this one, this cancel, and here LCM is what? Mn. So we can write m minus n. Okay. So here d into m minus n, and this equal to m minus n by mn. So this and this cancel, so we can get d equal to what? 1 by mn, right? Now with the help of the d, we can find any value of a. So just to put value of d in first or second. So we are putting this value in first. So when we are putting this value in first, so this is what? A plus m minus 1 into, that is d. So d is what? 1 upon mn. 1 upon mn. So 1 plus m minus 1 into 1 upon mn equal to what? 1 by n. Okay. So now you can see we can write a equal to what? That is 1 by n minus m minus 1 by mn. So LCM is mn, so we can write here n, so this is m. So LCM will be here what? Mn. So this n cancel m. And here this is mn, so this is minus m and plus 1. So this and this cancel. So you will get what? A equal to 1 by mn. Now a 1 by mn and d 1 by mn. Now we can find easily a mn. So we are finding mnth term. So a plus mn minus 1 into d. So a is what? 1 by mn plus mn minus 1, and d is what? Again 1 upon mn. So we can write here LCM mn, so 1 plus mn minus 1, and here what? Mn. So 1 cancel and this mn cancel. We get what? 1. So this is proof that is a mn, yani mnth term of the AP is what? 1. This is the proof LHS equal to R. Simple rule is what? What is given? Mth term is given. So a plus n minus 1 into d this. Again nth term given. So a is 1 by n. Just form this. Now two equations, from subtracting this two you will get d. Now d, so just put value of d in first, second, you will get a. Now you have a and d, so you can find any number of